Okay, so you guys know how I like to share my ideas and kind of show you how it all works. And this one you're gonna be pretty excited about. You ever get sick and tired of slinging hammers and hearing the banging of the metal? I know I do. I had one guy one time have a rubber mallet fly off and right in the head. Ouch! That was a pretty good night. But yeah, so what I'm about to show you is gonna make life so much easier for a lot of people. Okay, so take a look. So here's a new tool I made. Pretty simple, just some rollers. It's got a specific distance in here. You can attach this to really any table. You know, if you went here, you could attach it to here, just drill some holes or clamp it. You know, it doesn't take a lot of force, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna roll it through here. And when I first tried this, I was really astonished on how, well, easy it was to roll and then to set this stuff up. You know, this thing is, it's pretty thin. And, you know, when you beat it with a hammer, you're gonna have all these dents and dooey doppies or whatever you want to call them. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and then I'm gonna start rolling it. And I just want you to know how, you know, beat up this is. I mean, it's not terrible, but I'm gonna make another one, and I just want to have it flattened out, you know. But with this tool here, you could also put it here, right? And you could just slide your sheet metal down into it. You could put it on the edge of a toolbox at the on the wall in your trailer. So I pretty excited about this one. Okay, so watch. All right, so we're gonna take our piece here, gonna feed it in, wiggle it around a couple times. Go from the other side. Don't want to force it too hard, but maybe I should. Come here, you little stinker. Yeah. Like that. Boom. Looks like this needs to get rolled out more. There you have it. It's pretty good. You're gonna get some type of expansion, you know, but not bad. Well, folks, there you have it. Benchtop straightener. I think it'll help a lot of people, and maybe I'll do some different variations here down the road. I've got some more ideas, but thanks for watching. Subscribe, and comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, till next time, see ya.